Hey guys, and welcome back to Inside Investing, and today we're going to be expanding our investment portfolio because we are going to be buying 2 new shares of S&P 500. As you know, we've been investing in S&P 500 for quite a while now, although we've only currently have 2 shares of this ETF, as you can see right there on the bottom. So what we really want to do today is buy 2 more shares of this ETF to expand to in total 4 shares, which should be around 300 euros at this point in time. So that will be a bit better, because honestly, we would say that we currently have a little bit too little S&P 500. We do have already 6 VWRL shares, which is quite nice. Also currently trading at around 103 euros. We've been making around a little bit more than 5.5% profit on VWRL, so that's always good. But the S&P 500 has been a bit more actually, so that's closing in on the 7% profit. So that's very good, but of course what we want to do is really expand the overall value and also expand this S&P 500 part of our portfolio. So that's what we're going to do today. What we already did in a previous video was depositing some money. So currently we have around 152 euros available to trade. So that should work out fine. If we buy them for approximately 72 euros, we should be able to buy 2 of these shares. If we have a very quick look at just for funsies, I would say, to the overall profit of our portfolio, that's currently at around 70 euros. So that's not too much, of course, but on the other hand, we've only been investing for about 6-7 months now, which is not too long. And then also the overall value of our portfolio with around 1,200-1,300 euros, it's not too much, guys. So we haven't been investing thousands and thousands of euros. No, it's just been just 1.2k. So that's of course not too much for not a too long period. And as we've mentioned in multiple videos before, what we want to do is really invest in the long term. So we're long-term investors, so we don't care what the current price is too much. Also, we don't care if this is really a high point or all-time high or whatever, or a very low point. The only thing of the price, I would say, because the only thing that we really care about is consistently buying more shares. That's the one thing that we want to do. We really want to apply the dollar cost averaging method, so the DCA method, which we've also made a different video about. So that's the one thing that we really want to do, guys. So quickly having a look at how the S&P 500 has been trading. And then we do see in the last year a very stable increase from around 52 euros last year, or September. Yeah, so that's about a year ago, to currently being trading at around 72, highest point 73 euros. So that's a very stable increase. Looking at the last 3 years, we would see that the lowest point was around 39 euros, which was in December, so end of 2018. So considering almost closing in on a double, like a double your investment in only 3 years, that's honestly not too bad. That's not too bad. So as I mentioned, we're going to be buying more of these S&P 500s now. So what we're going to do is press this B, the buy button. Let's have a look. Here we can enter the details. So how many do we want? Well, we actually want 2. What's a fair price? Well, looking at what it's currently being traded for, yeah, of course we're long-term investors, guys, so it doesn't really matter too much. I would just say let's go for 72 euros. It's like a few cents difference. It's not gonna make the difference in the long run, of course. Also, just 2 shares doesn't matter too much, so we're gonna just go for 72 euros, just so that we at least know that it directly gets traded. Then quickly having a look, so this is our current position, of course, and now we can actually already place our order. So let's place the order. Then we directly get the overview of the or the summary of this order. So what are we going to buy? We're going to be buying a Vanguard S&P 500 UCITS ETF, so that's correct. Being traded at 71.98, that's correct. We're going to be buying 2 of these. Limit order for today, with a total limit of 72 euros, with a total trading order amount of 144. So let's have a look at the margin impact. So available to trade is currently 152. So after this trade, we should have €8 left, which is perfect, honestly. So there we go. Let's confirm the order. Bada bim, bada boom. And it's executed already, as we see on top of the screen. Okay, well, of course, the DEGIRO platform is gonna get a 5-star rating. We need to enter the field. We don't have time for this now today, I'm sorry. So there we are, guys. We've quickly entered the order and it's already directly executed. So that's great, guys. Nice. Let's have a quick look at how it's currently being traded. So yeah, €72. This is actually perfect, guys. This looks very good. This looks very good. And now quickly going back then to our portfolio. That's what I wanted to do. So as you see, we now hold 4 shares of S&P 500 instead of 2 that we had before this trade. So that's actually perfect. So the average buying price, or break-even price, you should say, that's around €69. Everything above the €69 is going to be profit. Of course, now we've increased the investment, so now yeah, this gets a little bit lower, of course. But over time, this will increase again. The price should be increasing, hopefully. Of course, we only invest what we can afford to lose. That's one of the key lessons as well. But since we only invest what we can afford to lose, doesn't matter too much what the price is currently doing. We don't need this money right now. So this is going to be a holding that we want to have for the upcoming decades, I would even say, guys. So it doesn't really matter too much what the price is doing. But for now, we own 4 shares of S&P 500. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked this video. It was a quick one of buying more S&P 500, which I think is always good. Definitely give this video a thumbs up if you haven't done so already. Subscribe as well, and comment down below any shares or ETFs that you want us to buy in the next video. Also, keep an eye out on our portfolio updates, because regularly we do give an update on our portfolio and our thought process behind each and every holding. So guys, we'll see you in the next one. Let's go.